Hi, this is Christian Fautz with MVP Realty. Today I'm with Brenda, one of my clients over at 216 Recherche Street, and I just wanted to interview her and just briefly talk about how we listed her house and how we got it under contract very quickly. And I believe part of the reason why we did that, one, we priced it to sell, and second, when I came to preview the house, there were a few things that we needed to do, a little bit of paint, a little bit of touch up to get the house perfectly ready for our listing. So I'm just gonna have Brenda just share quickly, how it went.
Okay, yeah, I started talking with Christian probably a week and a half before we actually listed, and he really did his homework. He came in with comparables and suggestions. He went out and looked at our property, did give us some ideas of what we should do prior to listing it. We did get that done, and he listed on a Friday, held the open house on Sunday, and Monday afternoon we had a contract. So I would highly recommend him. He truly knows how to get your house sold, and we couldn't be more pleased. Thank you.
Great, thank you so much, Brenda. And I also want to point out, we actually had 2 offers.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got a second offer, and the offers were over listing price. So I hope you learned a little bit about how I work with people who are looking to sell their house. And if you are looking to sell, please contact me, Christian, listing southwestflorida@gmail.com. Thank you.